Welcome to MathZip. Today's topic simultaneous equation. We are going to solve the following by using the method of substitution. We are starting from number 5. Let's start. Here is two equations, so we can write given equation. First 3x minus 2y equals to 0. This is equation 1. And 17x minus 7y equals to 13. This is equation 2. So from equation 1 we can write from equation 1 we have 3x minus 2y equals to 0, then 3x equals to 2y, then we can divide by 3 both sides, so x equals to 2y by 3, and this is equation 3. Okay, now putting this x equals to 2y by 3 any of equation like equation 1 and 2, so equation 2 we can write now putting x equals to 2y by 3 in equation 2. Here is 17x minus 7y equals to 13, right? Then 17 times x means 2y by 3, 2y by 3, and here is minus 17y equals to 13, right? Then we can make LCM, so here is 3, so 17 times 2 which means 34, and here is y minus 7 times 3 is a 21, y equals to 13. Then 34y minus 21y, it means 13y equals to, so we can do another thing also, we can make 3 times both sides, or direct we can write 13 times 3 is a 39. So y equals to, we can divide both sides by 13, so 39 by 13 equals to 3. So look here, we get y equals to 3. Now this equation, which is equation 3, we can write now putting y equals to 13 in equation 3. Therefore x equals to 2y by 3, so 2 times y means 3, divide 3, so 3 and 3 out, answer is 2. So we can write, so equation x and y, x equals to 2 and y equals to 3, and this is our answer. I hope you cleared this one. So if you have any question, please write a line in the comments box. Number 5 done. This video we will also try to solve number 6. Number 6, given equation x minus y equals to 2a, this is equation 1. Then ax minus by equals to a square plus b square, which is equation 2. Okay, then from equation 1, what x minus y equals to 2a, this one we can write x equals to 2a plus y, which is equation 3, and this x equals to 2a plus y we will put in equation 2. So we can write putting x equals to 2a plus y in equation 2. So here is ax minus by equals to a square plus b square. So a here x means 2a plus y, then minus by equals to a square plus b square, right? Then here is 2a square plus ay minus by equals to a square plus b square, right? Then from here we can take common y, so a minus b equals to this 2a square, we can write a square plus b square minus 2a square. So here is y times a minus b, and here b square, a square minus 2a square, it means minus a square. Okay, so y equals to this b square minus a square, we can write b minus a, right? Then b plus a divided a minus b. Okay, now we can write in here y equals to, we can take common minus, right? So if we take common minus, here is a minus b, and this b plus a, we can write a plus b divided a minus b. So a minus b and a minus b, we can make division, so it will become 1. So here is minus a plus b, which is y. Now this y equals to minus a plus b, we can put in equation 3. So putting y equals to minus a plus b in equation 3. Okay, so x equals to here 2a plus y, 2a plus y. So 2a and y means here minus a plus b. So 2a minus a minus b. So 2a minus a, it means a, and here is b. So our answer is here x equals to a minus b and y equals to minus a plus b. So we can write, so equation xy, x equals to a minus b and b equals to minus a plus b, and this is our answer. I hope you cleared this one. This is third episode, episode 3rd of simultaneous equation. So please don't hesitate. If you have any question, please write a line in the comment section, and also don't forget subscribe my channel MathZip. Thank you.